So the home was built in 1910, and it's got a very unique history here specific to Newark, New York. The Jackson Perkins family built this house, and they started a rose business in the late 1800s. They have a huge history here, and this was their home. So the existing HVAC system in this home was originally a coal-fired two-pipe steam boiler. So radiators throughout the house worked with heating. There was no air conditioning.
The plan eventually for this space is to operate as an event center, as a B&B. The LG VRF product specifically, it allowed us to really meet whatever changes were happening on the design side. If room layouts changed, the application of a space changed, we could change which indoor unit, we could change how the piping ran, and we were able to do that within the flexibility of the VRF system.
Well, most of the people that have a home of this vintage, they don't have the luxury of air conditioning. In our area, we've noticed over the last at least 10-15 years a trajectory of needing air conditioning more and more in the summertime.
With our future use of the home, of bed and breakfast, we obviously need heating and cooling in all the rooms, and the steam boiler system wasn't going to be sufficient.
Hal has chosen to install some clean energy that provides comfort as far as heating and cooling, cleaner energy, electrification. The challenge came when trying to keep it looking like a 1910s home. In order to convert these homes, we're evaluating the home with an audit. We have to do a more stringent design process so that we're making sure that we're putting the proper amount of equipment that comes in. And then all of your staff needs to be fully trained on this newer technology that's evolving every day.
For the LG design, we wanted to get every single room in the house heating and air conditioning. We wanted to have simultaneous heating and cooling. We wanted to have domestic hot water, and we wanted to tie it all together on one system so that the energy was shared amongst all of the indoor units as well as the hot water.
We're taking a pretty large home here. We're using an LG quasi-commercial system to try to tackle this project.
So there's a 20-ton water source VRF system. It's heat recovery. There's actually 6 heat recovery units throughout the home, and then 30 indoor units. It's 30 indoor units, 27 of which are in the actual house, and then 3 in the garage that they turned into a few more living spaces as well. There's a lot of rooms in this home that are going to be occupied by different parties. They can control their own temperature, they can control their own mode, heating or cooling, whatever they want. They can turn the unit off if they want. They have domestic hot water that's provided off of the heat pump system. It's a full solution for an application like this.
These units are very quiet, they blend in, they actually fit in a lot better than a traditional air conditioner. They're slim, they're tall, they fit tighter up against the house.
Every indoor unit is a wall mount unit so that there wasn't any need for any ductwork, and they maintained as much of the historical and architectural value of the home as possible.
I switched all of my current business to LG, and we did lots of things to really insulate, air seal the home, make it heat pump ready, and then the LG products just fit perfectly. So it was a win-win for everybody involved.